Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to do a Ronaldo Chop in FIFA Mobile. So the first thing that you will need to do is you'll need to go to your store to buy a heel chop skill. Okay, so just go to your store and then click on the event shop. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this heel chop. You will then just have to buy that one for 500 gems. Okay, now you will need to go to your my team. Okay, then click on skill moves and then click on the heel chop. So you will then just have to turn it on or enable. So the most important thing that you should remember is you have to perform this skill on time or else you will lose the ball. Okay, so as you can see here, I am not performing the heel chop. So that's it. You just have to buy the skill first in your store and then you can be able to enable that. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.